Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get shaders in Minecraft PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC, download Optifine and install it. After that, search for Siljour shaders in a new tab. You can download any shader, but I will go for Siljour's as they are really good. Open the website, then go to the Downloads tab. Now, there are several specified shaders, so download any one you like. And after it is downloaded completely, open its folder. Copy the shader file, open Run and search for %app-data%. Then access Minecraft and paste it in the shaders folder. Now open Minecraft, go to Settings, Video Settings and access Shaders. Choose the shader you just downloaded. Tweak the settings if you want. And that's how you can get shaders in Minecraft PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.